Hello, today we would like to show how you can stop the bots on Telegram. So first of all, open up the chat with the bot that you would like to stop. In here, tap on these three dots. After that, go for the delete chat option. And in here, there is the confirmation window that says that you will that asks whether you are sure that you are going to both delete the chat with this bot and block it. Therefore, once you block this bot, you will not receive any new messages, obviously. So here we'll tap on this red delete chat option, and that will essentially mean that you have successfully stopped the bot from disturbing us. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.